I'm locked up, they won't let me out. I'm locked up, they won't let me out. Okay guys, I am in this whatever cage thing I am in, a bear's cage, you know what I mean guys? So like, subscribe, and you'll see more funny videos, more entertaining content. Why are there so many of you, man? This is annoying, man. Why are there so many of you? What the hell? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What the hell, Brody? Brody, this is not it, man. You cannot be serious right now, man. What the hell? Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no, man. What the hell?
0.5 মারছি ফাউল রাও একটু ধরো ধরো ধরো
Yo, upside down. What the hell? Yo, what the hell? Upside down? This is absolutely nuts, man. I'm absolutely upside down. What the hell, man? No, what the hell? This is crazy. Bro, what? Nah, what the hell, man? I'm upside down. Okay, non subito destra. Open your wings, fam. We want to see your wings, bro. Come on, bro. Open them wings, man. We know you've got them, bro. Open it, cuz. Yo, cuz, open it, man. Come on, bro. Trust me, bro. Open it, fam.
করতে নাই
Oh my god. As you see, guys, these are the peacocks. They're not opening their wings, but yeah. It's interesting, the peacocks are not opening their wings. Let me know in the comments below, why aren't they opening their wings? Is it when they're scared, frightened, hungry? Why do they not open their wings right now? And when do they open their wings? Let me know in the comments down below. Okay guys, so I'm sitting on this little bench area, and I do want to say to you guys, obviously the cameraman's a bit annoying sometimes. Anyways, so I do want to say to you guys, make sure you come to Bangladesh, because when you come to Bangladesh, there's so many places to enjoy. You've got Modi Bazaar, Cox's Bazar, what else? You've got Sylhet, you've got all these places. There's more places. If I can find it, I'll put it up here, somewhere up here. I'll try and put it up there if I can. And so make sure you check these places out when you come to Bangladesh. So that was the noise of the peacock. You do know the peacocks. They are interesting animals, interesting species. For some reason they're not opening the wings, so please let me know. I do ask for you guys to let me know in the comments down below, why do you not open the wings? Because that's what I really want to see. But if you do come to Bangladesh, make sure you enjoy yourself and adventure the whole of Bangladesh. Not the whole of Bangladesh, around Sylhet area, you know, around wherever you live, so come to Moli Bazaar, like you won't find anything interesting in other places. So come to Moli Bazaar, there's interesting places like this place. This is in Moli Bazaar, you know, so you make sure you come to Moli Bazaar. It is very interesting in Moli Bazaar. There's everything here, fun stuff to do. You can make funny videos, funny content. If you're a YouTuber, Facebook content creator, come to Moli Bazaar. It's so fun here. It's nice and interesting. These are whatever these are called. I don't know. It's wood something. So let me know what these are called, brother. If you this was going to happen. Hello? No, I am not going anywhere near that thing. I am too scared. Nope, I'm too scared. No, not for me, not for me. Yo guys, this is the Echo Room. Echo. It's the Echo Room, guys. You can hear my voice everywhere we go. So yeah, it's the Echo Room, guys. Echo. We are at the football court, mini football court. Let's see if I can smoke this guy. Okay, the balls went over, what the hell? I'm just too good at football now. I can just kick too high. I'm too exhausted to talk loud right now. It's annoying. Go!
2 goal যদি বয় উইনার হইব
Okay.
1-1
My cousin Mumin has won. I'm defeated. Are you happy you won?
Yes.
Trash kid. I was smoking real football. Look at this, my eyes are tweaking, bro. What the hell? It's not as bad on the phone, it's not as bad on the camera, but guys, when you look at this in real life, it's tweaking. You're like flipping, your eyes are gone, bro. Now we are at the maze. Let's see if I can complete the maze. Let's see if I can hack it. Let's go. Oh, I think it's just showing us the path. I don't think it's much of the maze. It's just showing us the path. I don't know if it's much of the maze. It's just showing us the path. There are that. The maze cry. A maze now. This is not a maze, man. How is this a maze? It's telling us which way to go. Oh, now it's a maze. Shit. He's going that way, we're going this way. Hey, we hacked the maze, guys. Winner! He lost, I won. Come on, the boys. Okay. Listen. As I'm looking for an exit of the maze, they went 2 different routes. We've all went 3 different routes. There you go. I found the exit. Well, they're stuck in the maze. I told Elham to follow me. Mummy went his own way, and then Elham, I found out that I went the wrong way, so I turned around and Elham kept going straight. But yeah, I found the exit, guys. Look, exit point, bro. Come on, bam, bam, bang. You know the vibes, guys. The country's World Cup. Let's go.
दिलों की देखो जवानी आके तुझे समझाए